Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Our measurement chapter is going on. Previous session, we have learned about the concept or things long, short, tall, short, light, heavy. Okay. And then we have also see the non-standard unit of length like span, pace, span, then cubit, and with the help of these non-standard unit, we measure the things like school desk, pencil box, how many span pencil box is. Okay, look like this span, देन बुलेटिन बोर्ड. बट बच्चों, आपने कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया कि अगर डेस्क आपको अपने स्पैन से, ऐसे स्पैन से अगर मेजर करना है तो छोटे बच्चों के स्पैन छोटे होते हैं और बड़े लोगों के स्पैन बड़े होते हैं. या फिर द लेंथ ऑफ वन स्टेप व्हाइल वॉकिंग इज अ पेस. अगर पेस से हमें क्लास का कॉरिडोर मेजरमेंट करना है तो छोटे बच्चों के पेस छोटे होते हैं. या फिर फुट स्पैन भी छोटे बच्चों के छोटे होते हैं और बड़े लोगों के बड़े होते हैं. तो ये जो नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है उससे हम लेंथ प्रॉपरली नहीं कर सकते व्हेन वी यूज ऑब्जेक्ट और बॉडी पार्ट टू मेजर अ लेंथ. देखो, अगर हम अभी ये पेंसिल का लेंथ मेजर करना है तो हम ये सेफ्टी पिन से कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3 एंड 3.5. ओके. अगर ये सेफ्टी पिन छोटी है तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. अगर हम इरेजर से कर रहे हैं पेंसिल की लेंथ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, तो we will get the means proper length नहीं आएगी. The measurement is not exact. Okay. This is because the length of all objects like pencil, marker pen, toothbrush, or this remote or textbook. Okay, for this we need fixed length. Okay, so this लेंथ प्रॉपर या फिक्स देखने के लिए हम स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ यूज करेंगे. एंड द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट of measuring length is meter. Okay, children, standard unit of length is meter. The short form of meter is m. Okay children, means अगर हमें एक स्टैंडर्ड लेंथ देखनी है या परफेक्ट लंबाई देखनी है तो हमें ये स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट यूज करना है एंड दैट इज द मीटर. ओके, बट फॉर दिस स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक पेंसिल, स्केच पेन, दिस रिमोट, वी यूज unit of centimeter. Okay, this is a centimeter, or the short form of cm is the unit for measuring short things. Okay, मीन्स ये सेंटीमीटर है, ये छोटी चीज़ें उनकी लेंथ मेज़र करने के लिए यूज होता है. एंड मीटर एम, दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर larger length like our door, okay, cupboard, then car's length या our height, है ना. This meter we can measure with this measurement tape. Okay children, look here, this is a measurement tape and we use this measurement tape for measuring larger length. Okay children, and for small things like toothbrush or pencil, when we want to measure these small things, we can use a scale or ruler. Okay, look, from here to here, here in this scale there is a 0 number, and here right side 15, and this 0 to 15 is the length of centimeter. This scale is 15 centimeter long. Okay, and this scale is used for smaller length, and this measurement tape is used for longer length. Okay children, now here, look here, this 1 meter. 1 meter can be divided into 100 smaller units called centimeter. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook. Understand children? Look, 1 meter can be divided into 100 smaller units, that is called centimeter. Means 1 meter के 100 small units मिलके वो मीन्स सेंटीमीटर के यूनिट्स मिलके 1 मीटर बनता है. मीन्स हियर 1 मीटर is equal to 100 centimeter. Understand children? Okay, means 100 smaller units जो सेंटीमीटर के होते हैं वो मिलके 1 मीटर होता है. Look, this scale from 0 to 1, there are 0 to 1. From this 0 to 1, there are 10 lines. Okay, and that 10 lines means 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter, and that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, means the distance between 0 to 1 is equal to 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to ये जो बीच में जो 10 लाइन्स है that is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter, millimeter short form है mm. Okay, 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay children, look here, this scale from 0 to here 15 means the scale is 15 centimeter long. Understand Children, now you know a centimeter is a standard unit of length. Okay. A centimeter is used to measure short length. Okay. And if we have to measure long length, then we will use measurement tape. Here children, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, these are the unit for measuring the length. Means meter, centimeter, millimeter, these called unit of the length. Okay, now another unit for measuring length is kilometer. Okay, kilometer is the another unit for measuring length, and the short form of kilometer is km. Okay, and this unit is used for longer distance. Okay, kilometer unit is used to see the distance or the length of the long space or longer distance, like distance between your school to home or home to school, or like Navsari to Dandi. This long distance is measured in kilometer. Okay. Now, if we want to measure the length between your home to school, then we will measure in kilometer. Okay. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And this 1 kilometer means longer distance. Okay. So, the units of length are meter, centimeter, millimeter and kilometer. Okay children. Now we will see measuring length using a centimeter scale. Okay. To find the length of an object, look here. These are the object: pencil, sketch pen and eraser. First we have to keep the object one point on 0 of the scale. Okay, and then see the length or the distance between 0 to the another point of a eraser. Okay, and this is 4 centimeter. Okay children, so the length of a eraser is 4 centimeter. Okay, now we will see the pencil. Put one point of the pencil on 0. Look here. Okay. And from 0 mark of the ruler, the marking at the other end. Look here. The other end of the object is near 9 centimeter. Means the length of this pencil is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now sketch pen. Put the sketch pen one point on 0 and look, the another point of the sketch pen is on, yes, is on 14 number. Here means the sketch pen length is 14 centimeter. Okay. Children, you have to do practice with different objects with the help of this scale, and then you have to measure the length of that object. Okay, do practice, and then you know the standard unit or standard length of that object. I hope you have understood about the standard unit of length and the units of length, that are meter, centimeter, millimeter and kilometer. Thank you.